There are a lot of wrong ways to write proposal, and many new virtual assistants write proposals in a wrong way, and that is preventing them from finding their first client first. And you might be making one of those mistakes too. So in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you exactly how I write proposals, and how I apply for jobs. So the proposal that I'm going to show you in this video is the exact proposal that I will write and I will send if I am looking for a client. If I find a project I'm interested in, this proposal is the exact proposal I'm going to write and send to potential client. So now I am going to my computer and I'm going to go to Upwork and I'm going to use my dummy profile, and I'm going to find some project that a beginner could potentially be interested in, and I'm going to write a proposal just to show you the exact proposal that I will write if I am looking for a client. And if you want to get an exact copy of this proposal that I'm going to use in this video, you can just go to the description of this video. I'm going to put a link that you can follow in order to download a sample that you can personally use to get your first client or your next client. Okay, with no more delay, let's jump to my computer and I will show you how. Okay, so this is a job that I found on Upwork, and the person who posted a job, they are just looking for someone to do a general administrative task for them. The skills they mention is virtual assistance, email management, data entry, appointment scheduling, general administrative tasks. So we are going to apply for this job, and we hit apply now. Okay, we scroll down. This is a budget. We are not going to go through all of these steps. If you don't know how to apply for jobs on Upwork, then I have a separate video. You can just find it in the description of this video. You can watch it. It will guide you on how to do all of this process. But for now, we are going to focus on writing the cover letter, which is the proposal. And this is what I'm going to start with. Okay, so I'm going to copy the template and I'm going to paste it here. Then we are going to make some changes. Okay, I have read the description you provided. I understand you need a virtual assistant to take care of services the client need. So this is where we are going to change this to reflect the actual job we are sending the proposal to. What they are looking for the services is email management, data entry, appointment scheduling, general administrative tasks. So generally this client is just looking for a general virtual assistant. So what we are going to do is, here we are going to replace it with general administrative tasks. Okay, next, I am interested in working as your virtual assistant. I will provide efficient and satisfactory assistance in services the client need. Here we are going to replace it with in all the services you mention according to your requirement with your guaranteed satisfaction. I have strong knowledge and experience in the services they require, so we can replace this with general business administration, email management, online bookings, and what is the last thing they mentioned? And the data entry. Okay. You can check out a sample of my work here. Right here, we can replace this with a sample with a link to our portfolio. That is, if we have a portfolio. If we have a portfolio on a personal website, a Canva portfolio, or even a PDF portfolio. If you don't have a portfolio, I already have a separate video where I teach how to create a portfolio. You should have a portfolio where you will showcase a sample project, even if you are a complete beginner. So this is what you can replace this section with. And next is, you tell them your rate. My rate is an example $10 per hour, and I am available to start right away. I am looking forward to the opportunity to meet with you in an interview to learn more about your business and how I can provide the best result as your virtual assistant. Thank you for your time. So you can see this proposal is short, it's not very long, and it's straight to the point, and it reflects the job description. So before you send your proposal, it's a good idea, make sure if there is any placeholder image text such as this, make sure you remove it. And it will be a good idea also to use Grammarly. So you can just go to Grammarly. Grammarly is free to use, so if you don't have a Grammarly account, it's a very easy process to set up an account, and you can just copy your proposal and you can paste it here in Grammarly. And Grammarly is going to proofread. If there are any grammatical error, Grammarly is going to let you know, and so that you can fix any grammatical error before you send your proposal. After you finish your proofreading, you make sure everything is right, is correct, then you can just go back here and submit your proposal. So that's it. This is the exact proposal that I have been writing to find all my clients, and this is a proposal that I will use if I am looking for clients. And if you want to get a free copy, you can just go to the description of this video. There will be a link for you to download a free copy, absolutely free, so that you can just start using it to find your first client or your next client. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video.